Hello Oria addicts. It's been a little while. I've been extremely busy. Tabbed in some bulkheads and then I ran out of peel ply. It's been sitting in customs for 10 days. So started tabbing in basically everything. And also I ran electric. All the electric wires up into the V-berth area. And just to show you, I did my wiring for about a quarter of the cost of what most people do, because that red and yellow wire there is not red and yellow. It's the 12 wire is this here, and just the flat blue is 14 wire. But I got shrink wrapped over it all, so who's the wiser? Nobody. So that's what I've been up to. Also, I ran the rain collection water pipe down both sides. It's the lower one. So I've been doing some stuff. Started sanding the top. I did this. Skimmed this whole thing out here. It's hard to see, but oh well. That's what I did. So that's what I've been up to. Keeping busy, waiting for my peel ply to come so I can start doing some more. But anyway, hope everybody's staying safe. Take care. Bye-bye.